Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, February 18th, 2025, we're providing an in-depth analysis of XAUUSD, combining current events and chart data. Recent news reports indicate a surge in gold prices, with XAUUSD approaching the $2,930 mark. Several sources point to a weaker dollar and trade war fears as catalysts for this upward trend. Let's see how this translates into the charts. Looking at the daily chart, we observe a clear upward trend over the past few weeks. The price has broken above several resistance levels, suggesting strong bullish momentum. The recent candle shows a slight pullback, but the overall trend remains positive. Now, let's zoom into a specific period on the daily chart to see how these bullish trends have unfolded over time. We will analyze a more interesting range from October 11th, 2023 to October 20th, 2023. Notice the significant price increase during this period, driven by the news events mentioned earlier. We can clearly see the price action breaking through multiple resistance levels. The volume also increases during periods of significant upward movement. Let's switch to the 1-hour chart to get a more granular view of the recent price action. The hourly chart often provides insights into intraday movements that might not be apparent on the daily chart. The hourly chart shows some consolidation, with price action oscillating within a defined range. We can observe support around $2,750 and resistance around $2,800. There are some short-term bearish patterns forming on the hourly chart, hinting at a potential short-term correction. Traders should monitor these patterns closely and adjust their trading strategies accordingly. Finally, let's examine the 15-minute chart to identify the very short-term trends. The 15-minute chart is useful in identifying scalping opportunities and capturing minor price swings. The 15-minute chart displays the high volatility and quick price changes within the broader context of the hourly and daily charts. In summary, we have identified key support levels around $2,750 and resistance at $2,800 on the hourly chart, with the overall trend for XAUUSD appearing bullish on the daily timeframe. However, the short-term correction is possible. The 15-minute chart shows a very short-term volatility. If we observe a continuation of the upward trend with increased volume, the price is likely to move towards $2,900 or above, while a sustained break below $2,750 could trigger further short-term bearish movement. Important price levels to watch are $2,750 support, $2,800 resistance, and $2,900 potential upside target. A break above $2,800 with increasing volume would strengthen the bullish outlook, while a sustained break below $2,750 would shift the bias towards the bearish side. Keep an eye out for any news or events that could influence the price, especially geopolitical events related to trade tensions or potential shifts in monetary policy.